Extreme Weather Reports. I'm Nadia.
And I'm Omkar.
And today we're going to be looking at Canada's most vicious ice storms. So Omkar, can you tell our viewers what an ice storm is?
An ice storm is a type of winter storm characterized by freezing rain. An ice storm occurs from an accumulation of 6.44 millimeters of ice on exposed surfaces. Frozen precipitation will melt to rain while falling into the warm air layer, then will start to freeze again in the colder layer below. If precipitation refreezes while it's still in the air, it'll land on the ground as sleet. Liquid droplets, however, can continue to fall through freezing air as it passes through the cold air just above the surface. When these so-called supercooling drops hit the ground and the temperature is below zero, a layer of ice accumulates.
Time to go back in time to Canada's most horrific ice storms. Let's go, Omkar.
Wait, we need to get suited up first. We are currently in our time machine traveling to...
Time to go back to Montreal's horrific ice storm of 1998.
Let's get it.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, it's pretty cold. I can't believe it's 1998 right now.
Preparing for an ice storm is crucial, as you could be stuck in this freezing weather for days.
Make sure flashlights and battery-powered radios are working.
Store extra blankets and warm clothes. Make sure to stock up on warm clothing and blankets.
Currently, we're walking around the streets of Montreal. It's 1998. There's an ice storm going on. It's freezing. I don't know what's gonna happen. We're looking for a civilian to interview right now.
Finally just on his break, but I'm walking downtown Montreal and here's a citizen. Sir, are you okay?
Bonjour.
Sir, how have you been affected by the storm?
I've been left in the dark for days. The power line's gone out. Me and my girl were just hanging out watching the movie, and then all of a sudden, we were left in complete darkness.
As you can see, due to extreme weathers, the moment water hits the ground during an ice storm, it freezes almost immediately. Extraordinary. How has this storm affected your plans?
Well, I was planning to go on a road trip, but as you can see, all the roads are iced over and there's fallen power lines, so nobody can come in or out. Like the Hulk. I am strong like Hulk.
Tens of thousands of trees have fallen because they can't hold the weight of the ice. This causes hazardous conditions for the pedestrians and everybody on the streets.
Nadia, no!
For this storm in Montreal, authorities needed to bring in Canadian Armed Forces, declaring a state of emergency. They came in and helped clear roads, broken branches, and power lines.
We just received news that there is another ice storm happening in the year 2018 in the city of Toronto. Let's go.
Let's go back to our time machine. Come on, Omkar.
Nice.
We are currently in our time machine traveling to... And now, a commercial break with Lindsay. Wow.
Hi, and welcome to 5 Fun Facts with Lindsay. Ice storms are referred to as glazed storms and are typically found in valleys and foothills. Ice doesn't actually fall from the sky. Freezing rain does. And when it hits the surface, it freezes almost instantaneously. Oh, didn't see you there. Throughout Canada, ice storms happen from the months of December all the way into the spring. Driving during an ice storm is extremely dangerous because of the ice that covers the road. This has been 5 Fun Facts with Lindsay. Thanks for watching.
Toronto got hit with massive amounts of rain and gusts of wind. Winds reached up to 100 kilometers an hour.
Let's interview some citizens of Toronto to get some feedback.
What damages has your city seen?
There have been hundreds of collisions and flight cancellations. I can't even leave my house to go see my friends or family.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Police responded to more than 1,400 collisions in the Greater Toronto area. More than 7,000 people needed to restore their hydropower.
Excuse me, miss, how has this storm affected you?
I was just walking down the road to my house with my child and a tree hit a power line and almost hit her.
That's terrifying.
Hey, wake up. Wake up, Hobo. We got a shelter over here. We just opened up for all the homeless people in the storm.
Thank you.
Just leave it, just leave it. Man, Nadia, I sure am glad we have our time machine so we're not stuck here in Toronto.
Same. Let's go.
We are currently in our time machine traveling to
It's a good thing we're back at Brentwood.
Yeah, back at Brown until the heads come off.
On Vancouver Island, where it only rains a lot, but not cold enough to freeze it all the time.
Thank God. Quick, we gotta make it back to Cars class before we're 10 seconds late.